Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rewind video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to make this normal first. Then I'm going to copy and paste the video. Then I'm just going to hit the reverse button. If you can, it is a little bit better to add the like rewind overlay. Don't know if they have this here. Don't think they have like the rewind overlay that I'm looking for. Let me see like videos. No, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm just going to also speed the other video up. So it looks like that. And maybe have the rewind first and then the video. And that is pretty much how you can rewind your videos. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.